ID, because nowadays we need some document for the renewal of the civil ID. It's not that difficult. So the only thing you need to do is have a translation of your degree certificate and the mark sheet. After that, you will go directly to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, prepare for your KNET for the 5KD stamp, and then wait for your turn. They will give you the number, wait for your turn. You will go to Ministry of Justice, go directly to room number 14, and that's it. Get the number, wait for your turn. They will ask the original copy of your translated document. They will ask your civil ID, and then they will tell you to write your name and your telephone number. They will tell you how many days you need to wait. Sometimes it takes 1 week, sometimes it takes 2 weeks. It depends on how many documents that you have. So good luck for those who are still processing their documents. Don't be anxious. It's easy. No need to pay a lot. For the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, on the same building of the Liberation Tower, on the 2nd floor. And then for the Ministry of Justice, it is on the other side of the Liberation Tower. But you need to walk a lot because there is no shortcut going to the Ministry of Justice. So good luck for those who are still on the processing of their document to be attested.